Hello everybody and welcome to Cam in the fam. Guys, today I am making, what am I making, Cam?
Hot dogs.
Not just any hot dogs. We making Chicago style hot dogs.
A word?
So guys, we're doing deep fried Polish sausages. We use the Parker House sausages. So we're going to deep fry those Polishes. We have our onions, because here in Chicago, if you've ever had the pleasure of going to Jewtown, you got to have the onions.
You got to. That's only right.
You got to have the onions. So what we're getting ready to do, what you'll need, we have potato puffs. These are from, I've never had these before, but I asked for French fries, but y'all know Cam, he brought me some potato puffs, so I assume that they're like tater tots.
I got what I wanted.
Oh, he got what he wanted. So we have some ketchup, we have mustard. In Chicago, we do hot peppers as well, so tomatoes as well. So I don't know if we're gonna do ours like that, but you know what? I'm gonna show you how we do it in Chicago. Okay, so you have a little olive oil, and hopefully it's hot enough. We're gonna test these onions. Cause in Chicago, you can't just cut up one onion.
No.
I want to talk to you guys very quickly about a collab that we have with a company called Rose Forever New York. They reached out to us and we are so honored to be working with this company. Rose Forever creates luxurious handcrafted bouquets. These packages are very chic and the roses come in so many different colors. You can choose the box that you want it to come in. They have it in crystal, pink velvet, and black velvet. They have it in very large sizes as well as mini packages. We chose the black velvet gray package. As you guys can see, it is absolutely stunning. It's really beautiful. You can put these roses anywhere from your bedroom, living room, dining room. It adds a really nice feminine touch. So, also guys, Sweetest Day is around the corner and this will make the perfect gift. Did I mention these roses last for a year? That's right, a whole year. That's incredible. That is another reason why this will make a great gift. If you are interested in ordering this product, all of the information is in the description box below. Right now there's a fall sale going on, so if I were you, I would take advantage of that. To get 15% off of your entire order, use the code KEE'S15. This sale is going to be going on for 30 days, so if I were you, I would start looking. Honestly, you guys do not want to miss this opportunity. Thank you so much, Rose Forever, for reaching out to us. Once again, we are really honored to be working with you all. Thank you so much to all of our subscribers for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
You gotta cut up a lot of onions.
Bro. You never been to Maxwell Street, you'll definitely, you know what I'm saying?
You see, you can't come to Chicago without checking out Maxwell.
Maxwell, you got Giordano's, so many places you gotta go with. If you want to like an authentic, good hot dog, you know what I'm saying, Jewtown and Maxwell Street. And y'all might feel like this is too much onions, but no, this is like, it's like
how we do it in Chicago.
Yes, man, you don't even know.
It's how we do it in Chicago. And you can always tell them too many onions, but if you say that, they probably gonna look at you like,
yeah, they from out of town.
Yeah, they're like, oh no, they not from the shack. Okay, so we have our onions, and trust me, I probably need one more onion. So you have to break these onions up.
Oh, it's already giving off that smell too.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna let these onions cook a little bit and I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, so as you can see, my onions have been cooking for a minute. Now we gotta go in with the hot dogs. And if you don't know anything about these hot dogs with the onions, you clearly not from Chicago. So we're gonna let these cook. And we'll bring you guys back. So guys, I've been cooking my hot dogs for a couple of minutes. And as you can see, they've been cooking. But they're still not Chicago style hot dogs yet.
No.
So guys, I gotta bring you all back. Now y'all, this is a Chicago style hot dog. So we're gonna take this out. Gonna turn off the pan. and I'll bring you guys back once I get ready to put this hot dog together. Okay guys, so as you can see, my tater tots, they're ready. And I'm glad that this grease is so hot, because now I'm getting ready to deep fry these polishes. I don't know if y'all heard Keith. So I'm going to take these out and I will bring you guys back. Okay guys, so now that grease is really, really nice and hot for us. So you have to throw in an onion. And now we get ready to throw in our polish. And we're gonna let this cook. And I will bring you guys back. Y'all see how that onion is separating? I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, so this polish is ready. You can look at that onion and it's giving this oil such good flavor. So guys, I'm getting ready to take these sausages out and I'll see you guys when I get ready to hook this up. Okay guys, so we are back. We getting ready to lay this cheese. Inside of this polish. We got it deep fried, and guys, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Then you got to go in. You cannot.
Oh, you got to show this one. You got to show them.
You got to go in with the onions. You cannot. Oh, these are hot. They hot. You got to go in with the onions. Then you want to come on in.
Oh, don't do it to them. Don't do it to them.
With the mustard. I gotta do it to them, Cam. I have to show them.
You think they're ready for this?
They ready. Okay, so now you gotta go in with the mustard. Pops actually love ketchup on his too. He gonna have to put that on himself because you can't mess up a Chicago hot dog like that. So now you gotta do the hot dog. Pass me the peppers, Key. Everybody don't do the cheese. I like cheese on my hot dog. So you gotta go in with the cheese. Look at that hot dog. Now we're gonna go in with the onions. Give me a fork. You gotta go in with the onions. And if you lucky enough to get this kind of onion, that's flavor. Oh, that's flavor. And the heat from the hot dog, y'all. I love a lot of mustard, I'm sorry. So the heat from the hot dog is melting that cheese. I'm getting ready to go in with my ketchup. And I'm gonna put a little ketchup on these tater tots. I shouldn't even be doing y'all like this, because I know everybody gonna run out and get them some Parker House sausages.
Or they gonna say, you already do this to us.
And if you say you already do that, then that's awesome. Because that means, as Cam would say, that means you're a real one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And if I wanted to really, really be mean, I'll put a little tomato over to the side. But we're not doing that. So guys, I hope you like this video. Share this video. Comment down below and hit the notification bell so every time I'm in the kitchen, you would know. Every time we're doing a prank, a challenge, or we just sitting down with you guys, because we are a family channel. Guys, like this video, share this video, comment down below, hit the notification bell. And if you have any Chicago favorite meals that you have tried or want to try, put it in the comments. Yes, put them in the comments. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.